Some high-protein meals that can help support your workouts by promoting muscle recovery and growth. First, we have grilled chicken and quinoa salad. The ingredients include grilled chicken breast, quinoa, spinach, cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, olive oil, and lemon juice. The protein sources are chicken and quinoa. This meal provides a great combination of lean protein from the chicken and complex carbs from quinoa to fuel your body for workouts. Spinach and other vegetables add fiber and essential nutrients. Next is salmon with sweet potato and asparagus. The ingredients are baked salmon, roasted sweet potato, and steamed asparagus. The protein source is salmon. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids and high in protein, which helps reduce inflammation and promote muscle recovery. Sweet potato offers slow-digesting carbs, and asparagus is packed with vitamins. Then we have an egg white omelet with spinach and feta. The ingredients include egg whites, spinach, feta cheese, olive oil, and mushrooms. The protein sources are egg whites and feta cheese. Egg whites are a lean source of protein, and the spinach and feta provide vitamins and minerals. This meal is low in fat and can be customized with other vegetables. Next is a turkey and avocado wrap. The ingredients are sliced turkey breast, whole wheat wrap, avocado, lettuce, and tomato. The protein source is turkey. Lean turkey provides a solid protein source, while avocado adds healthy fats. The whole wheat wrap gives you complex carbs for energy. We also have a Greek yogurt and berry parfait. The ingredients include Greek yogurt, mixed berries, chia seeds, and honey. The protein source is Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is high in protein and probiotics, which support gut health. Berries offer antioxidants, and chia seeds provide omega-3s and fiber. Next is beef stir-fry with brown rice. The ingredients are lean beef strips, bell peppers, onions, broccoli, soy sauce, and brown rice. The protein source is lean beef. Beef is a great source of protein and iron, while the vegetables provide essential vitamins. Brown rice offers fiber and steady energy for longer workouts. Then we have a cottage cheese and pineapple bowl. The ingredients include cottage cheese, pineapple chunks, and cinnamon. The protein source is cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is high in casein protein, which digests slowly, making it ideal for post-workout recovery. Pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme that may help reduce inflammation. Finally, we have a tuna salad with mixed greens. The ingredients are canned tuna in water, mixed greens, olive oil, lemon juice, cucumber, and bell pepper. The protein source is tuna. Tuna is a low-calorie, high-protein food, perfect for a post-workout meal. Mixed greens and veggies add vitamins, while olive oil provides healthy fats. These meals offer a good balance of protein, carbs, and fats to help fuel your body and enhance your workout results. Make sure to adjust portion sizes based on your specific calorie and protein needs.